Yo, what's good, Sneaker Channel, man? Y'all know who it is, man. It's your boy, Big Grizz, and we are back with unboxing, man. As y'all see, y'all should probably already know what these are. These are Jordan 1 Nike box. Y'all should know from the recent release that just happened this past, what is it, the past week? Was it last week? I believe it was last week. Anyway, yes, this past release. And yeah, you should already know what these is. So we about to get into this, about to tell y'all my experience. Before we do, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Grizzly Reacts. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. On the road to 100 subscribers. Once we hit 100 subscribers, pair of Jordans is yours, man. All you have to do is just tell me your size. Literally, just tell me your size. I'm gonna pick like a random Jordan. And yeah, I'm gonna send it out to you, bro. So make sure y'all subscribe. On the road to 100 subscribers. Subscribe to Grizzly Gaming as well. And subscribe to my original channel if you want to see the daily vlogs, reactions, pranks, podcasts, all that. Grizzly Reactions. Without further ado, Jordan 1 sneaker unboxing. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, let's get it. So, and Shan, I'm super happy about these. Not gonna lie to y'all, man. I did not think I was gonna get these. So, if y'all didn't know, damn, I'm trying to figure out. Okay, here we go. These dropped the 17th, I believe. Was it the 7th? No, wait, hold on. What was last Thursday? The 15th? Was it the 15th? I don't know when these dropped, honestly. I thought it was third, because I remember, I think I was off, or I was on my break at work, I believe. I was on my break at work, and, you know, these had came out, and, yeah, 4/17. Yeah, I was right. So, it was Thursday. No, it was Saturday. It was Saturday. Saturday, I'm tripping. So Saturday, these came out. Let's get you the box first. I don't know. Like I told you, I'm really honestly cool off Jordans. The only Jordans I'm grabbing next is the red Flints. The red Flints. What else? I wanted them shadow ones. I think, yeah, those black and gray, the shadows. I wanted those. And of course the fours, the blue fours, but I feel like them is going to be hard as hell to get. I'm probably not even going to win on sneakers, but I have been winning on Jordans on sneakers, so I don't know, bro. We'll see. That's really the only thing I use, because those websites, it's just like I'm just stuck lagging. Because I tried, when these dropped, I was on Foot Locker. I'm telling you, I clicked on, and I was on a desktop website. I was on there from when it first started. As soon as it hit 10, I was still on there after, like, the queue was still going after I had won on sneakers and everything. So, I don't know what was going on Foot Locker, but let's get into this shoe, man. So, we got the Air Jordan Retro 1 OG. Colorway is Hyper Royal White. You know, Royal Hyper Black. Size 11.5. I don't know if y'all remember. If you watched my last sneaker video, your boy found out that, like, I'm not a size 12 in Nike shoes. I'm either 11.5 or 11. Apparently, my little brother told me once you start losing weight, your foot size shrinks too. So, I was a 12. Like, don't get it fucked up. I was a 12. But for some reason, my feet are fucking shrinking. I do not like this. I'm really about to start working out. Like, I'm really about to stop, because I like my 12. Like, now I'm thinking, like, that means all these shoes are 12s. Like, literally, all these shoes are 12. So, I'm going to see how these fit. If they don't fit, then I'm probably a 11. Hopefully, I'm not like a 10, 10.5. I really hope I'm not a 10 and 10.5. But let's get into the shoe. I just had to let y'all know that in case you didn't watch the last sneaker vid, because your boy found out, bro. I don't know. It's a habit. Like, I always my foot always goes to the back of the shoe. So I guess that's what I was doing with the 12s. And like, there's literally like a little inch of space. So like I said, I'm either 11.5 or an 11. But God motherfucking damn. Look at these shoes, man. Oh my goodness. The Nike Air looking so good in that blue. And then the Nike Air in blue on the inside. Like, oh, look at this shoe, gang. Look at this shoe. A very, very beautiful shoe. You know what I'm saying? I feel like Jordan 1's like is a shoe. Other than those Pantene things with the brown and the gray, I feel like there isn't no bad Jordan 1 colorway. Like, I feel like I haven't seen a bad one. Like ones are just, I don't know. There's just something about them. They like a locomotive. Like, they like a car or something. You know what I'm saying? Of course, we got the blue laces. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I think I might. Honestly, y'all, what y'all think? Should I switch out the blue for the white? Like, you know what I'm saying? What y'all think? The blue with the white? Cause that blue, this is like that's like a royal blue, so that might pop with these. I don't know. I might have to look online and see if somebody changed their laces yet. But look at these shoes. You see the Nike Air in the gray. Like, Nike did their thing. Like, Jordan, I said Nike. Jordan did their fucking thing with these, man. Like, oh my goodness, bro. Like, these are just beautiful, man. And you know what's crazy? If y'all watch my other story, my Cool Gray 3 pickup, which I don't have no more because I sold them. But, y'all seen, I tried to get those Hyper Royals that dropped while I was out there in New York. Unfortunately, I was not, I took an L. So, these kind of make up for them. These babies right here make up for me losing them Hyper Royals. I'm not going to lie. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I said Hyper Royals. I mean them UNCs. I still want them, the UNC ones. I still want those. But I just don't see paying $400. I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all know I love shoes, but there's a certain number I won't go over. Like $400 for shoes, that like $300 is my limit, literally. $350. $350 is my limit with shoes. Like, I'm not going over $350. Like, now, if I gotta pay for shipping and all of that, obviously it's different. But I'm not paying more than $350 for a shoe, bro. I'm sorry. Like, I just paying $500. Like, I love shoes. Don't get me wrong, but here's real life things going on right now. Like, it's $500 for some shoes that's gonna sit until I find an outfit for it or something. Like, come on, bro. That's stupid. Like, let's be real. But I just gotta show y'all this shoe. I'm gonna keep, like, this shoe is so beautiful. I have not stopped looking at these. Like, and I don't know if y'all know, gray is one of my favorite colors. Red, black, gray is my favorite color. So this gray with this swoosh is just so goddamn beautiful, man. And then the gray up top here, you know what I'm saying? Then you got the gray sock liner. Like, oh my goodness, shoe is just beautiful, man. This shoe is beautiful. I hope the camera is capturing this beauty right here, because this shoe is beautiful. But y'all let me know, man, was y'all able to hit on sneakers? Let me know. Comment below where you was able to hit from on these Jordan 1s. You know what I'm saying? Let me know. Was you able to hit on sneakers, Foot Locker, Finish Line, what was JD Sports? I'm always hearing people hit on JD Sports, but for some reason I always get like an error for like my JD Sports. When I try to click the link, it always says error or something like that. So I don't really know. Most of my luck honestly comes from the sneakers app. Like, I've probably grabbed 2 shoes from like Finish Line on the drop, and that was the Royal 13s. And what else? Those orange 13s as well. I hit off them off Finish Line. So those are pretty much the only times I've hit on like retail this year on the websites on Jordans. Like, other than that, only place I've been hitting is sneakers, hitting off of his sneakers, which is really surprising, because yeah. But that's it for this sneaker video. Let me know what you think. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Actually, I'm lying. This is not the end. And I'm not going to edit this part out either. I want to talk about what I'm grabbing next. I told y'all the red Flints, the 13s, trying to grab them, the Shadows. There's supposed to be some black and red 4s releasing, I think. I don't know if they're still coming out. I want them because obviously red is my favorite color, and I kind of like 4s, so it'd be nice, to have them. So I might try to grab them, but y'all know I told y'all strictly on dunks right now. Like, dunks. It's just like I can't hit on dunks for some reason. Like, Jordans I'll hit, but dunks, like, I haven't hit on one pair of dunks yet. Like, except on Nike when they did the Nike ID thing. Stay tuned for that video as well. I ordered a pair of Nike ID dunks. I don't know how long it's going to take for them to get here. Because y'all know they have to make them and stuff like that. So, I don't know how long it's going to take for them to get here. But I did order those. But yeah, I told you I'm on the dunks now. And honestly, I told y'all my situation. I'm not spending more than $350 on a shoe. And some dunks that I want is kind of expensive in 11.5. Now that your boy's down a size. So those are a lot more expensive than 12s, unfortunately. I don't know why size 12 and dunks are so cheap. But for some reason, 11.5 is expensive as hell. So yeah, we just on a slow grind with that. So y'all just stay tuned for the next sneakers that I'm dropping. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Appreciate you if you tapped in and watched the video all long. If you want more sneaker vids, just comment what you want to see. I'm still trying to get in the groove of this, but I honestly just want to get y'all vids and build content. So like, comment, subscribe. We out of here. Big Grizz.